You are hauling a heavy load in your diesel truck. Everything seems fine, and then suddenly you notice a massive cloud of thick black smoke pouring out of your tailpipe, while your engine feels like it has lost half its muscle, and that dreaded orange engine light starts staring you down. When you plug in your diagnostic tool and see the code P2064, your vehicle is telling you that the reductant or regeneration supply pump control circuit is reading way too high. Now, this is a serious headache for anyone driving a modern, clean-burning diesel from Mercedes-Benz, Dodge, or a Sprinter because it points directly to your selective catalyst reduction system, which we call the ESCAR. This system is basically a high-tech laboratory living under your truck that injects a urea solution, better known as diesel exhaust fluid or DEF, into the exhaust to turn those nasty nitrogen oxides into harmless water vapor and nitrogen. The supply pump is the heart of this operation, pressurizing the fluid so it can be sprayed precisely when the computer commands it. When the powertrain control module, or the PCM, detects an excessive degree of voltage in that pump's control circuit, it panics because it cannot guarantee that the exhaust is being cleaned properly. This usually means you have a short to voltage somewhere in the wiring harness, or the pump motor itself is overloaded and drawing way too much current. This is categorized as a severe code because ignoring it can lead to a completely choked diesel particulate filter or even permanent damage to your very expensive catalytic converter. Your first move should be to act like a detective and check for any technical service bulletins for your specific rig, because sometimes the manufacturer has a known fix for these electrical ghosts. Next, grab your digital multimeter and head for the pump connector. You should see battery voltage reaching that pump when it is activated, but if you see that voltage sitting high even when the system should be off, you likely have wires melted together or a faulty relay. These harnesses live underneath the vehicle where they are constantly blasted by road salt, rocks, and freezing slush, which makes the wiring the #1 failure point. A little bit of green corrosion in a connector can easily fool the computer, so clean those terminals with some electrical contact cleaner and apply dielectric grease to keep the moisture out before you go spending a fortune on a brand new pump assembly. Getting this system fixed properly will get your diesel roar back to its clean and powerful self and keep you from getting stuck in a restrictive crawl mode on the side of the highway.